Just the texture.
Texture is fine. It's kind of crunchy. Oh, I'm gonna hurl. Ooh.
It's okay. Look how flushed my face looks.
You're flushed.
You're flushed. Okay.
These things are flushed.
Your mom's flushed. Okay.
Where am I looking? Over here? There?
Yeah, so the camera is right here. So look about
gotcha.
Look about where my watch is on the screen. Yeah. All right. Here comes another experimental batch of candy. So for this one, we have, these are those sour gummy octopuses. We've seen other people do these and they turn out like tarantulas. They kind of look like tarantulas already, but we're excited to try those. And then we have a couple rows, or a few rows of Mambas. I think my husband got regular and sour as well. So that's our bottom tray. This next tray, these are sweet tarts and candy corn. Candy corn, forgot what they're called for a second there. Just plain sweet tarts and candy corn. This next one, these are strawberry puffs and the Circus Peanuts. And then, okay, this next tray is Charleston Chew, which we've done these before, but we just cut it. We didn't get the mini Charleston Chews like this. We just cut a big one and it turned out fantastic. So we really wanted to try the minis. I think they're going to be amazing. Then this top one, these first bit are Twix, mini Twix bars, and then we got more Charleston Chews. So get it, our little assortment here for a fun trial run of some candy. Let's come up here, click start, not frozen. We're gonna do these on a full load. We already have our drain valve closed, so we're gonna hit continue and we're good to go. We are gonna run these on a full load just because some of them that we haven't tried yet, we're not quite sure if they'll need a more dry or a full run. So we'll go ahead and do a full run. All right, here we are, 14 hours. Look, everything's all puffed up. Okay, let's go ahead and release the pressure. All right, and let's check them and see how they did. Okay, our first tray. Ha! These are the Twix bars. Look at that. The caramel just popped up, but the cookies on the bottom is pretty stationary. That's funny. And there's the Charleston Chews. So those look good. These are all the Charleston Chews. They puff up a little bit, but not too bad. And then we have, oh, these are the strawberries. Looks like some, like that one didn't puff up a whole lot, but some did. And then the Circus Peanuts, those don't even look any different. I'm kind of curious. I mean, they look cracked. Yeah, they're hard. Huh. It might take two hands to break them. And then, these don't look different at all. Those were the sweet tarts, the regular sweet tarts, and the candy corn. Yeah, they're hard. Oh, they just break. They don't look different at all either. Interesting. It's funny how some of them react and some don't. Oh, that's hilarious. Look at those octopus. Those do look like big tarantulas. That is hilarious. Ha. And then these are the Mambas. Okay, these kind of look like, I mean, they puffed up a little bit. They kind of look like the Laffy Taffies a little bit. They really didn't puff up a whole lot. All right, well, let's take them out. We're gonna do a taste test of the results of what we did. We have our taste tester. Lucky, tell us what you think.
Willingly, I'm not sure.
Here, let's hold on.
Okay. So this was kind of a curiosity of mine because I saw it on a Facebook group and I had to try it. This tarantula-looking thing
They totally look like tarantulas.
is a gummy octopus, so it probably doubled in size.
Well, I have the video from before.
Do you have the before?
Yeah.
Okay, well, then this is, I mean, that's how easily they break apart. They're so floofy.
You think at Halloween they're going to have tarantula-colored ones? That would be so creepy.
Wow. That's like a sugar rush right there.
But they flake off. They're airy. They're nice and airy.
They're very airy.
Like a gummy bear? Like the gummy bears turned out?
Yeah, kind of. Not quite sure what to think of that. That's a lot of sugar, is what that is.
A lot of these are a lot of sugar.
I know, that's why I was hesitating on doing this. But no, I mean, they turned out great. If you like airy, puffy things, that would be your kick right there.
Look at the mambas. So the mambas, some of them puffed up a little bit.
Yeah, they like have
But
air
then-
pocket in them, and some
Yeah,
of
they
them
have
didn't.
like little zits coming to the surface.
So those are the sour ones, or the little bubbled ones. The ones that
Oh,
don't
really?
are the normal ones, I think.
Oh, well the normal ones have
So,
a few little pockets.
The
but
sour ones are the more pockety ones. So we'll try one of those.
Have your zit mamba.
This is what orange sour mamba, I believe.
Oh, they're all flaky on the inside though. Eh.
That's probably one I would prefer chewy, but
Is it done all the way?
mhm.
It's not.
As a free-dried product, I would say that's a success. That is dried frozen. Whoops. Yeah, crunchy. That's definitely kept its flavor. I know.
I tried to pull a Twix off. We might need no, I think we need a spatula.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, there.
So there's the bottom of your Twix right there. So sandwich those back
with this
together.
little brain hat.
Little brain head. That's
Isn't that what it looks
kind of
like?
does. So I don't know if we can see that. See that? There you go. That's a Twix. And I'm kind of actually excited to try these because these are looking like really
Well,
yummy.
All of the caramel turns out amazing, but the cookie.
Whoa. Okay.
You make it a mess.
I'm gonna call them out.
Yeah.
That is definitely a one bite option.
Don't dribble on the product.
Well, I don't know if you can see, but that's how crumbly it really
Yeah.
turned out. I mean, it's
But was the cookie is just
there's
normal?
a cookie that didn't. Yeah, it's like flaky.
cookie-
It turned in like cracker.
Yeah, I've noticed anything we've done with caramel in it, like the milk duds, they turned out the caramel, and it's phenomenal. The caramel tastes amazing, but like cookies don't do anything.
Yeah, those are wickedly amazing. I like those.
And then we have our Charleston Chews. I might need a spatula at it.
You probably do with the chocolate ones.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's just you can see already
It's
it's
like little styrofoam balls
flaking off.
coated with chocolate though. But those are good. Those other ones.
Oh,
we
these
did
are
were
pretty
really
darn good. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, that's really soft and airy. I like that.
You like the Charleston
I
Chews?
really like that.
This is the perfect size too. This was those minis like in the box with their
The bite-sized
We
ones.
didn't have to cut them. That was easier on us. Okay, so then we have the Spree. Wait, so those are Spree? these candies?
No, these
Sweet tarts.
Sweet tarts,
Sweet tarts.
yes.
Sweet tarts. Just regular sweet tarts, which doesn't look like anything happened. But it's like a Smartie. I wasn't quite sure freeze drying them anything would happen.
We'll try the Shy Fly one here.
Shy. Oh, they have words on
They
them.
do have words on. Like call maybe Valentine one.
Just the same? Same as normal?
Again, they didn't lose any flavor. They're still as tangy and sweet as normal. If anything, it softened them up. They're a little bit more airy. They're not as crunchy and hard as a sweet tart would be.
Interesting. Okay, try
I really
candy
don't.
corn.
I really don't want to.
You're the taste. Hey, you signed up for this job.
I don't remember anything in contract there, woman.
It's a hard job. Somebody's got to do it. That sounds crunchy. I think I prefer chewy and soft.
That would be another one like the Mambas. I would prefer chewy than crunchy. 3 bites though, and it just dissolves in your mouth. So if that's something you like, great. They'll last, I'm sure.
Kind of set of the tray.
Oh, are these the peppermint ones?
No, they're like
Oh,
strawberry.
Oh,
But like some of them, here, hold the tray over here so we can show. Some of them puffed up and some didn't. So like, look at this guy. Like these ones didn't do anything, and then you have these big Mamba Jumbas that puffed up. So
we'll go with the half puff here.
Half puff.
With this is like those strawberry gummies, strawberry cream gummies, or whatever they were.
Yeah, strawberry something or other, jelly, creamy. We should grab all the bags, the empty bags, and show them.
Good flavor. So what I've noticed on these gummies, especially like what was the other one we tried?
We did the peach
rings.
Yeah, the peach rings.
So the half gummy puffs up and is really soft and flaky, but the other side is more dense and chewy. So it's an interesting combination. Good flavor. Still very, the white part is the chewy.
Interesting.
It's like sticking in my teeth chewy. So I'll just set that one aside because I don't really want to finish it.
All right, try a Circus Peanut.
Last but not least,
We did these for our neighbor.
Maybe they are least. I don't know. Yeah. So, oh my goodness.
Yeah, they're all cracked.
Well, they're not cracked.
They're hard as a rock.
Oh, they're like Okay, I apologize for those of you who do like Circus Peanuts. You're about to see some horrible faces, I'm sure. They're not my absolute favorite.
You're just judging the texture. It's the texture. Pay no attention to the flavor. It's the texture. Texture-wise, focus on the texture.
It's not chalky. It looks like it was going to be chalky experience. Definitely crunchy. Firm and breakable. And I guess the flavor's there. No, again, not my favorite, so I couldn't tell you. But yeah, if you like those peanuts and you love the flavor, I'm sure it's maintained all of that. So there you go.
And they're not in there.
They just get destroyed, but.
Okay, Mr. Lick your fingers. You can't touch anything.
I know.
Now.
Well, that's why I haven't touched anything.